8 months ago, we reviewed the Maxus G50 Premium, a very premium MPV with fully loaded features, standout looks, and a very affordable price. But now, let's go more affordable because we have here with us the mid-variant Maxus G50 Elite. The Maxus G50 is the brand's entry into the popular 7-seater family MPV segment, and kalaban niya dito sina Mitsubishi Xpander, Honda BRV, Toyota Rush, and Toyota Innova, to name a few. So let's see what this has to offer in elite form. The Maxus G50 Elite is really elite looking, maganda talaga siya, and it's very bold. Tapos kapag while on the road, people still keep looking at it, staring at it kasi maganda siya and it's very unique. It has LED daytime running lights, LED turn signals, but halogen fog lights only kasi sa premium yung LED. Tapos meron siyang very big grille here in front with chrome accents all over. And your Maxus spelled out here. Tapos meron siyang front camera and parking sensors. Tapos meron siyang 2 vents here in front and totoo sila. Tignan nyo. Ayan. Yan yung proof na talagang vent siya. So overall, it's really bold looking. On the side, akala nyo van siya, no? Pero it's not. It's an MPV. Pero it's a very big, spacious, and long MPV. Kasi kita nyo naman dito sa windows, malaki siya until here, and even until dito sa likod. Talagang mapansin nyo, it's very big. Tapos meron pa siyang chrome accents all over na nag-e-end dito sa likod. Tapos, the tail lights extends to the side which adds to its character. So, napaganda pa niya lalo yung design dito sa side. Also, smart key access siya through the button right here, and meron siyang door-mounted side mirrors with LED turn indicators, kaya lang manual folding siya. Yan. But, meron naman siyang camera here on the side. Plus, it has 17-inch gunmetal alloy wheels wrapped in 215/55 GT or GT tires. Kayo na bahala kung how you pronounce it. Tapos, meron din siyang roof rails right here. Tapos kung napansin nyo, di ba maganda yung color niya? Sa key, nakalagay dito, it's gold. Sa brochure naman, nakalagay deep golden. Pero, what I see is brown. So, kayo na bahala kung paano nyo i-imagine. Pero what's important is that maganda yung color niya. It's very posh. So now, we're here at the back. And kung napansin nyo, talagang mukha siyang van, di ba? Kasi, squarish siya. But despite being squarish, meron pa rin siyang mga curves. Like the taillights. So, the taillights are LEDs. And kung titignan mong mabuti, meron siyang texture and design sa loob which is very interesting and very unique. Tapos, you have this chrome accent that connects the 2 taillights at the back and a big Maxus lettering spelled out here na parang sinasabi niya, hey, look at me, Maxus ako and very unique yung sasakyan, tignan nyo. Then, meron siyang backup camera and meron siyang reverse lights on both sides and a rear fog light. Tapos sa taas, it has a spoiler which is tama lang naman yung size niya for the vehicle. So now let's check the cargo space. So ang difference niya with the premium is that ang Elite hindi na siya powered tailgate, pero you still get the same na malaking space dito sa likod which is bigger than most MPVs. Kaya pa niya mag-fit siguro ng mga 3 small luggage, kaya lang wala tayong exact numbers na mahanap. Pero if you want more space naman, you can just fold the seats, yung 3rd row seats, ito. Ayan. And then, you get more space. Tapos meron ka pang extra storage right here. And, yan, pwede mo na ilagay kahit anong gusto mo. And aside from storage dito, meron ka pang extra storage sa loob and your tools. So, close na natin siya. Ay, wala pala. So now we're here inside the G50 Elite and it's still the same with the premium variant. Meron kang soft touch plastic here on the dashboard, and this one sa lower part is wrapped in leather with a perforated design and white stitching which is very nice. Tapos meron pa siyang silver accent all the way here which breaks the monotony ng dashboard na pagiging black niya. And then you also have a silver accent here sa aircon vents, even dito sa center console and dito sa door panels. Tapos dito, malambot din siya yung taas ng door. And I like this design dito sa door panel, tong black one. Maganda siya, meron siyang mga very light lines. And then meron din yung silver accent nga until dito sa handle. Tapos this one, it's leather as well. And the seats, yung seat niya, malambot, maganda siya. It's wrapped in leather with a perforated design and white stitching. Ang difference niya is that sa premium, doon talagang leather. This one is leatherette. Pero still, okay siya, malambot siya, masarap siyang upuan. And kung napansin nyo, meron siyang silver accent like this one, like dito sa badging ng steering wheel. And speaking of steering wheel, the steering wheel of the G50 Elite is wrapped in leather. And I like the design, maganda siya overall. Mukha siyang game controller for me. Tapos you have this Maxus logo right here, ang ganda niya. Then you have buttons for the audio controls, and on the left side you have the controls for the cruise controls and your buttons for your instrument cluster. Ito yung horn niya, pakinggan natin. Ayan, ganda ng horn niya. Tapos you have a 7-inch multi-information display here. We have a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system, and okay siya, it's easy to use naman, and sumusunod siya agad sa bawat touch. Kaya nga lang, wala siyang Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Tapos, medyo washed out siya. Ngayon, walang araw, medyo washed out siya. Lalo na kapag may sun, mas nawawash out siya. So, yun yung concern ko dito. And then, yung volume pa niya. Wala siyang volume knob dito or any buttons right here. So, kung hindi ka sanay, ang mangyayari is, hahanapin mo kapag pa dito. Pero nandito siya. You need to slide down, parang sa mga Android phones lang. And then, yan, from there, you can control the volume and also the brightness of the screen. So, ngayon, naka-max na to. But the good thing is, meron naman siyang 360 cam. So, nandito yung 360 cam niya. There. So, medyo malabo nga lang siya, pero it's really helpful, lalo na meron siyang rear, and you can also see the left and the right sides of your vehicle. So, okay pa rin siya. Tapos, moving on, dito sa baba, you have a single zone automatic climate controls. So, good thing, meron siyang knobs and buttons. Kahit na dito sa screen, lumalabas yung display niya. Tapos sa baba, you have a storage, you have 12-volt power outlet, you have 2 USB ports down here, and then you have this very nice shifter. Gustong-gusto ko siya. It's, masarap siya sa feeling pag hinahawakan mo kasi tama-tama yung fit niya sa palm mo. Yung ginamit pa nila dito na finish, the design, it's nice. Then sa baba, you have your electronic parking brake and auto hold function buttons. You have 2 cup holders naman and a perfect storage ng cellphone. Specifically, ito kasya yung iPhone 12 Pro Max dito. Kasi before sa premium, wireless charging yun nandito. Tapos inside, you have a big storage naman. So, let's move on to the second row and check kung ano meron doon. So, this one, mukha siyang van, diba? So, we expect na meron siyang sliding doors. Pero ito, we have a normal swing door. And nakikita nyo, it's very wide, it's very spacious. So, mabilis kang makapasok. And this one is really perfect for a family vehicle. Kasi, ayan oh, look at the space. Look at my legroom and my footroom. Talagang spacious siya, even here, kahit dito sa gitna. And then, my headroom, okay din siya. I'm 5 feet and 5 inches. Kaya nga lang, sayang lang na wala na siyang panoramic sunroof. Kasi yung view ko dito, talagang it's very panoramic. Ang laki kasi ng mga windows di ba? Papansin nyo. Tapos the seats are very comfortable, malambot siya, okay pa rin siya upuan. And then we have a center armrest na it's quite small, pero okay na rin na meron kaysa wala, di ba? And then you have 2 cup holders. And medyo mataas nga lang siya, pero I think okay lang naman yun. And then we have many back pockets here sa likod ng mga upuan. So we have big pockets here. Tapos meron ka pang pockets dito. So, you can put your phone, earphones, alcohol, mga essentials, pwede mo ilagay dito. Tapos, down here, you have your controls for the rear AC. Tapos, meron kang 12-volt power outlet and your USB port. And a deep storage down here na may ketchup pa. So, sa AC, nasa side siya, even dito sa third row. So, tara, let's move on to the third row. To get to the third row, you just need to pull this and then lain mo, yan, there. So, makakapasok ko na. Kaya lang, kailangan mo ng help from another person to pull this back. So, ayan, patulong nga. There. So, here the third row, ito yung space ko. It's decent, sakto lang siya. Comfortable naman kahit papaano. And then I got 2 cup holders on this side and another 2 cup holders on that side. Tapos yung aircon vents mo nandito sa both sides sa taas. And you got the USB port here. Ito, maliit siya, nandito. This one. I don't know kung nakikita nyo, pero ito siya. So, pwede kang mag-charge kahit nandito ka sa third row. Yun, tama lang yung space niya dito. Then, to get out naman, you just need to push this. Ayaw, wait, try natin ulit. At times, ganun lang siya. Hindi siya, ewan ko ba't ayaw niya sumunod. Pero ayan, try natin ulit. Ayaw niya ulit. Wait, isa pa. Ayan, sumunod na siya. The G50 Elite is powered by a 1.5-liter inline-4 turbocharged petrol engine with 167 horsepower and 250 Nm of torque paired to a 7-speed dry dual-clutch transmission. So let's bring it out on a test drive. Safety features on the Maxus G50 Elite are dual front airbags, electronic stabilization program, electronic brake assist, hill hold control, 360-degree around view monitor, front and rear parking sensors, tire pressure monitoring system, and ISOFIX. As I mentioned earlier, na-drive ko na tong G50 before. So, ngayon naman, we'll have this for a longer period of time. Kaya, mas ma-detailed na yung masasabi ko about this vehicle. And, ang unang impression ko talaga dito is, pagsakay mo pa lang, and once you get going na, talagang comfy yung ride. It's a comfortable vehicle talaga. Tapos acceleration naman, talagang mabilis siya. Mafe-feel mo na you're driving a fast vehicle. Kaya nga lang, may times na may delay siya, lalo na kapag sa mga slower speeds or kapag you're starting from a full stop. Pero nakakompensate naman niya yun through, pag nag-accelerate ka na, once you get going, umaandar na siya, talagang mabilis siya and mararamdaman mo yung pull niya talaga. This is a family MPV, kaya syempre hindi natin ina-expect na aabot siya sa performance car level. Pero with how it performs, itong nafe-feel ko ngayon dito, surprisingly, okay yung performance niya. Sa transmission naman niya, like what I've said earlier na 7-speed DCT siya, kaya siguro siya medyo laggy. It's because of that. And pagdating naman sa city, medyo jerky siya. So I think this one, mas maganda siya gamitin for highways, sa mga longer drives. Kasi mas smooth siya, mas tuloy-tuloy, mas okay yung shifting niya. When it comes to its steering, okay siya, it's light, but not too light na hindi mo na alam kung which direction you're going. Tapos, kapag sa mga curves naman, dahil nga light siya, so mas mabilis mong i-drive sa curve and it feels stable naman pagdating doon. And the light steering also makes it easier to drive. One of my biggest positive feedback about the G50 is yung visibility niya. Kasi talagang makikita mo lahat clearly, wala ganong mga obstructions sa views. Especially meron siyang malaking quarter window dito sa harap. And the windows are big. You can see naman na malaking-malaki siya. Tapos the side mirrors are tama lang yung size. So nakikita ko ng mabuti kung ano yung behind me and what's beside me. The ride quality is excellent. Kaya nga lang pagdating sa lubak, lalo na kapag sa medyo malalim, may naririnig ako ng konting sound coming from the suspension. Narinig ko na rin siya last time from our review sa G50, the previous one, pero di ko lang siya nabanggit. Pero pagdating naman sa road noise, wala kang gano'ng maririnig. Sa wind noise, wala din. Except na lang siguro kapag sobrang bilis ka na, doon may naririnig ka na, pero konti lang siya. For the fuel economy, sa highway I got 15 kilometers per liter. Pero naman, kapag combined na with the city and highway, umaabot na 9 to 10 kilometers per liter. Overall, it can give you the performance that you need for a family MPV. And pagdating naman sa performance-wise, lalo na with the engine that the G50 has, talagang kaya kanyang dalhin anywhere kahit na mabigat pa yung mga dala mo, kayang-kaya niya. The Maxus G50 Elite is priced at 1,168,000 Philippine pesos. With this, you get more value for your money than its competition. Pwede nating sabihin sa features ng Innova V, pero sa price lang ng Innova J plus more. And yes, meron siyang mga imperfections, and some might be scared kasi Maxus is a Chinese brand, but they should always remember what they're getting and who is behind the brand locally.